Jill Biden's inauguration gown inspired by unity, designer says. The formal dress and matching coat worn by First Lady Jill Biden Wednesday night for inaugural festivities were designed with inspiration from new administration's message of unity, says the designer Gabriella Hearst. Unity makes strength, and it is needed for the road ahead, Hearst said in a statement in his inaugural address. President Joe Biden repeatedly emphasized his commitment to bringing the country together in the wake of Donald Trump's divisive presidency. "I've never been more optimistic about America than I am this very day. There isn't anything we can't do if we do it together," Biden said. Jill Biden's cashmere coat featured embroidered flowers representing every state and territory, each flower taking approximately 2 hours to apply. The coat also has an embroidered quote from Benjamin Franklin on the lining, an homage to Biden's career as a teacher. "Tell me and I forget. Teach me and I remember. Involve me and I'll learn." The dress under the coat also featured the embroidered state flowers placed along the organza bodice and sleeves. The Delaware state flower, the peach blossom, was positioned purposefully above Biden's heart. The dress and coat were both made in New York City's garment district, using materials that included existing available fabrics to minimize the impact on the environment, said Hearst. The dress and coat will be donated at some point to the Smithsonian's First Lady's collection, as most every First Lady inaugural gown has been for decades. Hearst's designs were often worn by Ivanka and Melania Trump over the last 4 years, even though Hearst was a vocal critic of President Donald Trump's administration and policies.